Varargs. Standard Varargs simply allow you to pass multiple parameters to your function. Okay. Procedure. Print things. And we say things is varargs of string. Okay. For thing and things. So this is basically like a array of strings, and we can echo those things. So they print things, and we do words to print. Very pleasant. So we can make our own echo. I very much like it. And we'll just print them one by line because we're printing them with echo one by one, so each in a new line. However, trying to run this, print things, and we have integer, then we have a string, and then we have a sequence, will fail to compile because the compiler won't coerce anything into strings. Luckily enough, there is a tool to fix this. The coercing varargs. Ooh. Oh, wow, I really like it. They thought of everything. So print things, and now we have varargs that takes a string, specified as a string, and hey, use that operator to coerce things and, things into strings. And bam, we can do that. Oh, that's exactly what echo does. Huh, I really like it. It works by finding a function, blah, that returns a string for each argument type and applying it to each argument. Very much like it. So it doesn't need to be an operator. You can just make any kind of procedure and define it for those different types. Ooh, fun.